Dear students, this program is said to be a C program to search a given number in the given list using linear search technique. This is your syllabus program. You need to practice, you need to understand the logic here. That is lab program number 6, linear search. Here understand that linear search, it is having a two words. One is linear, another one is a searching. You already aware of what is searching. Searching is finding a element in the list, or looking for an element is said to be a key element given in the array, in the list, right? Here I am taken a single dimensional array A of 10. So what I am doing here, it is linearly I am searching. What exactly linearly is nothing but one after the other. It is not like take the key element, check with the last element all of a sudden. It is not possible like that. So as the name itself says, I need to search a given key element linearly one after the other in the given list. So hence the name is given as linear search. Okay, sir, how it look like the linear search? To implement this linear search topic, I am using array concept. What is array? Array is a collection of homogeneous elements of same type. You know, we already discussed in the previous classes. It is a single dimensional array. What is A here? A is said to be a array name. What is this 10 stands for? It is size of the array. So totally I can store 10 elements in this array. Right, sir? How it look like? I will show you later how linear search will be stored in a single dimensional array. Before that, let's move on to the program. As we all aware of, it should have some preprocessor directive, stdio.h, conio.h. These are also called as a header files. And void main function we return. Always execution is start with the main function. Let get inside the main function. We already have different variables I, comma n, and single dimensional array. What I said earlier, it is taken. One another variable is set to be key, and one more variable is set to be found. Okay. Along with that, CLRSCR to clear the screen when I execute the program. Printf. What is printf? Is return enter the element to the array. So how many elements you are entering to the array, that you need to specify here and specify the value. If it is 5, 5 element can be stored in the array. Move on to the second printf statement. What I return, enter the elements one by one to the array. Sir, how you are entering, how you are inserting, deleting an element into the array? It is always by using for statement. So for how it works, you know that for is a conditional statement, looping statement. Yes or no? Looping I is equal to 0, I less than and I plus plus. N is given by the user. So suppose assume n value is 5. So I value is 0 initially, 0 less than 5, condition true. Coming to the scanf function. So in the A of I value is 0 initially. In the location 0, the first element will be stored. Increment the I value, 0 become 1, 1 less than 5, condition true. Insert another element in the location 1. Increment I value, I becomes 3, 3 less than n, condition true. Insert another element. Like this, it is a looping statement. Condition until the condition satisfied, this loop is keep on executing. Yes. Move on to the next printf return. Printf statement, what I written here, it is enter the source. Assume in the previous statement I created array, it is having some elements. So after that, I need to give a key element. What I need to suppose to search. So okay, one value I need to give. That value will be searched in the given array. So enter the key element to search. So obviously there is a scanf statement, ampersand key. Here again I return one very important logic of the program. I'm using for statement. Initially I value 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Another simple statement I return, if statement, if key value what I taken, if it is equal to yeah 5 c. Initial I already assume that I already stored 5 values. For example, 10 to 50, 50, 10, 20, 30, 40, 55 elements will be stored. So I stands for 0. 0 is the index to the array. So what is the value available in the first location? 10. Second location 20, 30, 40, 50 goes on, right? So what I'm doing here it is, so 0 means first location. What is the value available? 10. 10 equal, for suppose key value I taken is 100. So 100 is equivalent to 10. No, 100 not equal to 10. So the condition is fails. If the condition fails, it never come to printf statement, found statement, break. Directly coming out of what it does is, it will increment the value. If it does not match, increment the I value. So what happens? I value become 1. So 1 less than 5, condition true. What is the data available in the first location? 0, 0 is the first location. Second value is 20. 20 equal to 100? No, not equal. Again increment the y value. Is 30 equal to 100? No. Again increment I value. 40 equals to 100? No. Increment I value. Finally I value become 5. 5 less than 5. What happens? No, condition is failed. So what happens? You are coming out of the loop saying that element is not available, unsuccessful search. If element is found in the list, it is unsuccessful. Obviously 100 is not available in the list. So what is the array content here? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. But what I taken a key element, value 100. 100 is not available in the list. So obviously key element is not found. It is unsuccessful search. Second case is, take for example the value 20. 20 is the key element. So 20 equal to 10, repeat the process what we explained. 20 equal to 10, first iteration fails, increment the I value, I becomes 1. So yes, 1 less than 5, condition true. So what is the A of 1? A of 1 is 20, key value is 100, key value is uh, 20. Second case I am talking. Initially we taken 100, unsuccessful search. I am explaining now for successful. 20 is the key element taken. I am in the second position. That value is also 20. Key value 20, data is 20. 20 equals to 20. Yes, condition true. Obviously, whenever there is a match, we can say it is a successful search. Key element found in the location. Location is nothing but whether it is a first location, second location, third location, and goes on. Right? Assign the value 1 to the found variable. Break statement. Break. Why, sir? Why you are using break? Coming out of the for state. So this is a very simple program. Linear search. Only two possible cases. One is successful search, unsuccessful. What is successful search? If a key data is available in the given array, it is said to be a successful. If key element is not available in the array, it is said to be unsuccessful. So this is very simple program, hardly having 10 to 15 lines of code. You can practice this. Let's compile the program. See, compilation does not have any error. So go for the execution. See, what is the printf statement written? That will become enter the number of elements to the array. I am giving 4. So now enter the elements one by one. I am giving 10, 20, 30, 40. Enter the key element to be search. That is the next printf statement. I am giving key value as 30. Yes, let's check once more. Enter the value 4. Enter the elements one by one. Yes, enter the key value 2. Yes, it's okay. So what I written here, enter the key element. Key to search is key element. Key element I entered is 10, and data is what I taken 10, 10, 20, 30. Obviously key matches with the first location. 10 equals to 10. So successful search, key element is found in the list at the location 1. So this is Obviously, if the element is not available, it will print what is said to be unsuccessful search. This is your lab program number 6, set to be linear search. Remember the formula, not formula, it is the equation. Just you are using simple array concept, single dimensional array, and logic also very simple. What is the logic? Again, I'm going to conclude this here. This is the logic. If the key is equal to a of I is nothing but array starting with 0 to n minus 1. Key, if it is equal, print successful, otherwise not successful. Thank you.